Can I sue my car insurance company? Yes, you can. There are a number of reasons why you might choose to sue your car insurance company. Perhaps you feel that you were not treated fairly in the aftermath of an accident, or that you were not given the appropriate payout for your damages. You might also feel that the company failed to uphold its end of the bargain in terms of providing you with coverage. Whatever the reason, suing your car insurance company can be a daunting process. However, if you feel that you have a strong case, it may be worth pursuing. Here are a couple reasons why you might want to take your car insurance company to court. You were not treated fairly in the aftermath of an accident. If you feel that you were not treated fairly by your car insurance company in the aftermath of an accident, you may have a case. For example, if you were denied coverage or your claim was denied, you may want to consider suing. The company failed to uphold its end of the bargain. If you feel that your car insurance company failed to uphold its end of the bargain in terms of providing you with coverage, you may have a case. For example, if you were involved in an accident and the company refused to pay a fair amount for your damages, you may want to consider suing. There are many reasons to sue your car insurance company, including denied claims, unfair charges, and unfair compensations. However, the most common reason to sue is when the company fails to pay a claim. If you have been wrongfully denied a claim, it is important to seek legal help.